Hello, in this video I will help you create external links in Keynote for the Mac. There's several ways to do it. Let's use this as an example. I can choose this image and I can hit Command K. My first name is Ken, if that helps you remember, or the last sound of the word link. Command K will open up an option for you can make internal links, but I want to do an external link to a website. And I believe I already copied and pasted, but let me double check. I'm going to copy and paste this link from Safari. And what I'm going to do is down here, when I hit Command K, I want to put this as a link. And I can test it by clicking Open Link, and yes, it works. Let me show you those steps again. This time I'll do it with text instead of the image. I'm coming here and I'm selecting the part of the text that I want to be a clickable link. I'm hitting Command K and I'm making sure that this goes to website, and then I will paste the link. And I can just hit enter or click out of it if I want, and you can see that it is now white. If I wanted to, I can come over here and change the style to blue, etc. if I wish to, but it will now work. I can click on it now and I'll have the option to open the link, or when I'm in play and presentation mode, I can do the same thing. I hope this helps. Let me know if I can help you with more.